So today I'm with the BRZ again, and as some of you guys know, I'm making front splitter and side skirt for this amazing car. If you saw the previous video, you saw the whole design and how it sits on the car. I also went to a couple of Facebook groups and I posted a couple of pictures in there just to get some reaction from the people, just to know, like, get some feedback from people. Most people liked it and I also like it. I really like the design, but I thought maybe we need to do some small changes. Like, I like the simplicity of the design, but with those small changes, maybe it's gonna look even better and even smoother. I also wanted to design front canards for it, and also they're gonna be made out of carbon fiber. But right now, what you're gonna see, it's gonna be made out of plastic, out of my 3D printer, of course. And nothing is final, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like and just getting more feedback from it. So at the end, I'm gonna introduce the best product that I like it and you guys like it too. Alright, so let's go and see how it looks like with the new changes. Alright guys, so you saw the changes. Let me know, what do you think? To be honest, I think this looks amazing. Turned out very good. Like before, as you can see here, like on this side, I think on this side looks a little bit naked. By adding this, I mean, it still looks very simple, very simplistic. I think it looks even better. So let me know what you guys think, because I'm super excited about this, and I think it turned out pretty good. Like here you can see, like, it's like wind going in, and but I think maybe the height is too much. Let me know guys. I think maybe I can bring it down, maybe here, like a little bit lower. I think it's pretty good, especially right now it's with silver color, because it's a plastic 3D printed, but once it's gonna be made out of carbon fiber, it's gonna look different. Like, sometimes me, like, making it out of carbon fiber, and I realize I have to make some other changes, because with color difference, like, even the size is gonna look different. Maybe I'm just gonna wrap it up in carbon and put it on the car again to see how it's gonna look like with darker color, like especially with a carbon look, and then finalize it. Give me your feedback, guys, because we're building it together. And I also made canard just for one side, just to test with it to see how it's gonna look like. I think it turned out not bad, but could be better. I'm pretty new to designing canards, but look pretty good, look pretty solid. I'm just gonna put it on the car so you guys can see it and let me know what do you think about this one. Okay guys, so right now I put the canard on the car. Look at it guys. I think it looks pretty good. Turned out pretty good. Maybe it's just too out, like, compared to the bottom side. But when you're looking at it from the side, look at it. I mean, it's very good. I mean, it's pretty simple, but it looks solid. You know, like most of the canards that I've seen, they look like a piece of paper on the bumper, and I don't like it. Like, I don't like to add a piece of paper that looks like a carbon fiber on the bumper of the car. Okay guys, maybe it's a little bit too low. Put some tape on it. Maybe I could just bring it up. Alright, so I changed the position a little bit, but I mean, when it's a little bit higher, as you can see, it doesn't look that much out. Kind of lines up with the front spoiler, kind of a little bit out, but it's okay. I mean, I think if it's a little bit higher, it's gonna look even better. Not sure, like I have to change the design if I'm gonna bring it higher. Like I have to match it up, and it's gonna be a little bit like longer. Right now it's too narrow, so maybe I have that advantage to like make it a little bit bigger, because right now maybe it's a little bit small. Maybe I like it a little bit bigger. Alright guys, so that was about it. Let me know what you think about this design. I will be designing the side skirt as well. It's gonna take a couple of days and I'm gonna update you guys again. The thing is, right now this BRZ is pretty stock and it doesn't have any wider wheels, and it has to go down a little bit. Like it has to be on some coilovers to really show itself. I have something on mind. Maybe we're gonna buy some very good looking wheels and coilovers for this car, just to show you guys how the whole thing is gonna sit on this car, because it's pretty important. Right now you're seeing it with the stock wheels, like it's pretty narrow, it doesn't show itself, you know, but once it's gonna be with the wider wheels, it's gonna really show up. So yeah, stay tuned for this project. It's gonna be amazing. The carbon fiber front splitter, it's gonna look pretty rich and something very unique at the end. So I have some channel updates for you guys. As you know, the Evo is dead, and right now I'm working on it. I've made a couple of videos that I will be uploading probably next week. The Evo build is gonna be something very crazy, and I'm super excited to show you guys how it's gonna look like at the end and finally be able to drive that car, because man, I really miss that car. I also have a couple of good plans for the GTR. You know, after I'm gonna be done with this and with the Evo, I'm going to make probably the craziest white body kit for the R32 GTR, something that no one have ever seen. Something crazy is coming up, guys, for the R32 and maybe R33, I'm not sure yet. And it's gonna take time for that project, but at the end I have something very unique in my mind, and it's gonna be a crazy GTR. Alright, that's it guys. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, just please go ahead and subscribe right now, because I have crazy videos coming soon, and I have very good plans for the future of this channel, and hopefully we're gonna build crazy cars together, guys. Crazy cars are coming, so just stay tuned, turn on the notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video.